Practice set 7, problem number 1. Determine the area of this room. Unfortunately, there is no area formula for such a complex shape. In a situation like this, the strategy is to break the figure into 2 or more basic shapes. Then compute the area of each basic shape, followed by adding the individual areas together to determine the area of the original complex shape. An obvious break in this complex figure would be here, cutting this into 2 rectangular regions. The larger rectangle area would be found by taking the length times the width. So its area, using that formula, length times width, we'll put a 12 foot for our length times 11 foot for our width. Multiplying those together results in 132 feet squared. Next, we have this smaller rectangle. The only problem is we only have one dimension given. We'll have to do some calculation. Since the entire horizontal span on the top of this shape is 13.5 feet, this length on the bottom is 11 feet. When combined with our unknown would give us that entire span at the top. We can find our missing value here by taking the entire span, 13.5 feet, and subtracting the given horizontal span of 11, resulting in a dimension of 2.5 feet. Now we're ready to find the area of our smaller rectangle. Again, using the formula length times width, our length of 2.5 feet that we just found will be multiplied by our width of 3 feet, which gives us an area of 7.5 feet squared. We're now ready to find the total area by adding those 2 pieces together. The larger rectangular area, 132 feet squared, plus the smaller rectangular region of 7.5 feet squared, resulting in a total area for this complex shape of 139.5 square feet. In problem number 5, they ask us to determine the area of this shaded region. Well, let's start with finding the area of the rectangle, which is our largest shape in this diagram. It's a rectangle. We'll use the formula length times width. So we'll take 36 inches times 22 inches, giving us an area of 792 square inches. Next, we're removing this circle area. So let's find the area of the circle. The formula is pi, diameter squared, divided by 4. We'll use 3.14 for an approximate value of pi. The diameter, which is the line segment whose endpoints are on the circle and contains the center, is given as 12 inches. That will be squared, and we'll divide that by 4. Following order of operations, we will take 12 squared, which is 144, times it by the value of pi, 3.14, and finally divide that result by 4, giving us a total area for the circle of 113.04 square inches. Next, to answer the question, what's the area of the shaded region, we are going to use the following. We will take the total area which is actually the area of the rectangle, and subtract the amount that was removed, which is our circle area. Total area we found is 792 inches squared. Our circle area was 113.04 inches squared. Our last step would be the result of that subtraction, which is 678.96 inches squared. Rounding this to the nearest tenth, we will increase our 9 to 10, which rounds to a 679 inches square, the area of the shaded region.